So this is the second time on my Kia Spectra S that the door handle has pulled right off because I pulled too hard. It happened on this handle once before. I've ordered a replacement handle off Amazon. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to purchase that, and we're going to begin repairing this. Start by finding this part here and prying it up. Don't use a screwdriver like I do because that's going to damage it. Use a plastic pry bar. Up here, there's a small plastic panel. Remove that panel with a flathead screwdriver. You can see a slight indentation on the left, and you can remove it from there. Okay, so my door won't open from the outside, nor will it open from the inside, but the catch-22 is, to take this panel off, to repair the inside of this, I need to get to screws that are out of the way with the door shut. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to get the door open by pulling this cable manually. Okay, so I was able to get the door open by taking needle nose pliers and making sure that this top cable was pulled all the way, which means the door is unlocked. And then the bottom one is for the actual door lever. So I took that and yanked it to the right, and that opened the door. Now I can get to these around the perimeter to take this entire panel off to get to that exterior door component, the handle, to fix it. There's another screw behind here. Okay, now if I got every screw like I think I have, this whole door panel lifts right off of a lip in the windowsill. So the whole thing's gonna lift right out in theory. Let's try. So I had to pull a bit from the bottom and some retainer clips came out that looked like that. I'm not sure where those went. Oh well, but now you lift. And if I remember correctly, this window actuator cable is going to be connected, and you have to unplug that so that it's not hanging on the cable. It takes a lot of finagling to do this correctly. Okay, there's where I can disconnect that to get the panel out of the way. I'm gonna hold off on that. Okay, I ended up taking it off. You really can't work on it with it there. I have it leaning against the car. You can put it right back on and plug it back in. Here's an annoying part of the job. This plastic insulation, it's pressed on by re-stickable, kind of like tar. This stuff is nasty. It gets on your hands and your clothes, and it's very hard to get it out. I hate this part. This always scrunches up. It's hard to get it to go back on the window the way it was, but I'm just gonna go right at it. So you peel it off and this exposes, so you can see it's like gum, it's gross. This exposes the door mechanism. So there it is, it's two cables. The top one is the lock, bottom one is opening the door. And that is the other side of the door handle. So that's a 10mm nut we're going to be removing. So I did this repair once before, as I said, on the front door. I am not confident I'm going to be able to get back there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, but we're going to go ahead and keep going through with this. So 10mm here on the back. So unfortunately, as I speculated, I have to bail out on this repair. There does not seem to be a port to access the 10mm nut on the other side of the door handle. I just can't get my hand back there like I could the first time I did this job on the other door. Sorry I can't help more than this.